All right, so I just got this, and this is supposed to be the #1 selling flashlight on Amazon. So let's take a look at it. It says LED tactical flashlight by Victpoer. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Check it out. I got 2 of them. All right, we'll take one out and we'll take a look at it. We got to get it out of its sheath. And here it is, man. Take a look. I'll just go around. So right here, here's the name so you guys can read it right there. And up top here, it's got some information on it. So it says you can zoom it. Oh, here. So this is magnetic, look. So you've got this. When you first get it, it's kind of stuck, but it pops out. All right. To turn it on, you got a little button down here. So I think it's probably charged. Let's find out. I'm going to press it. All right. So I just discovered something. These aren't rechargeable. You need a battery. So you got to unhook this. Okay. And what kind of batteries do you think we need? AAAs. So I got to get some AAAs. All right. So anyway, you got to put 3 batteries in. You got to find the negative side. And of course, look for the spring. Pop it in. And we're just going to go all the way around. It looks like, yeah, 3 of them. All right. Now we got all our batteries in. Make sure, squeeze it and make sure they're all in and the contacts on. Now this is going to go in with the nipple forward, I do believe. Yeah, pretty sure. So we drop it in. Cha-ching! We get the back. See, oh look, it's already lighting up. It's already giving, look, check it out. Oh my God. All right. Oh, that's interesting. All right, so I got to click this. All right, so here, let's go through the modes. You ready? I'm going on the back, I'm clicking. First, here's the first one. And that's it's just blinking, right? So let me click again. Now that's just a full, straight light. Remember, I've got it pushed all the way out, so it's focused very tight. Let me click again. Goes off, and I click again, and I get the light. Let me turn this off. All right, so there's this light. Right? I click again. There's that, that light. Click again. And there's that one. That's like SOS. And then click again. And then again, look, when I pull it back, it widens. And I'm going to have to show you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this around so you can see it. Let me turn this off. Okay, so now let me just show you here. I'm going to click once, and we get that really small. Now, if I push this in, watch, it becomes a lot larger. You follow me? And then if I click it again, it goes off. And I click it, and then I get this like weird, like squarey looking thing. I don't know what that is. Let me click again, and then click it, and then we get this. So you can do it like that, or like that. Click it again, and then you get this. It's a little bit different, right? This is like an SOS. And then I click it again, and then I get that. And that's it. That's how it works.